So I create a new customer online, and let's name this customer retail customer test at events.com, and set the test password and that would be it. So now when we create the account, it's actually created directly into the retail server. So switching over to Dynamics 365 finance operation and clicking on customers, we can actually search for that customer named retail right now, and there he is, created directly. And of course you can go into that customer and do a lot of work on that. You can update the profile and check orders and add addresses and stuff like that. Then if we switch over to the POS system, Microsoft POS system, this is basically being in a brick and mortar store. We can also search for that customer named retail, and here he is. It was the retail customer I created. So we can work with that customer too. So that is how everything is integrated. Going back to the web and the website, now it's also possible to sign in as that customer. And go in on My Pages and view the data here as well, which is basically exactly the same data that you can see in your instance of Dynamics 365 for retail. In as the test customer we created in the last video, and create an order on that customer account. So let's pick some kind of promotion, for example, some digital SLR camera that has been discounted, and well, we can pick the quick view of products here, just make it easy to add product to the cart. And we can also pick something else. Let's go to the store page. And maybe, yeah, there's another promotion for headphones, for example. Let's go into the product page for a headphone. You can get even more information about the product. Let's add that to the cart and then proceed to checkout. Now, when we enter the checkout page, I think we have everything set up here. Since I'm logged on, I'm just going to select a shipping method and add payment. This example, we use an example credit card like that, and then we just save the order here or create the order. So we can, for example, go in on the My Pages and click on order history, and here we can see that the order has been created. Let's see, I created a few orders here. This one was the last one, so we can see that this already and when it's going to be delivered and stuff like that. Now, switching over, we can go into all sales orders, and we can of course filter on the customer's name just to find that order, and here's an order which contains those products. So here we have the information about that that order. Also, switching over to the POS system, we are also able to pick up that order there. So searching for that retail customer, retail Retailson, click on that customer, and we can see that there's an order history of a few orders here. I think it was one of these orders that we placed, and yeah, it's a camera, and here's the headphones. So that's basically seeing that and go into all discounts, and here we can set up a lot of different types of discounts. There are regular discounts, mix and match discounts, quality discounts, threshold discounts, and we're going to do a regular discount here. And we're going to name that something. We're going to do a discount on speakers. So the loud speaker discount, something like that. We're going to keep that disabled until we have done all parameters and added everything to the discount. We can add a description. For all speakers. And so what shall the actual discount be? Well, we will say that you get 20% off on the first 10 you buy, and the discount shall be valid from today and for a week. And you can add a lot of other parameters here, more advanced options. You need a coupon code to activate the discount. You can set it to prioritize over discounted pricing or price lists. You can set that the discount should be exclusive or non-exclusive in comparison to other discounts. Assign it to specific accounts. There's a lot of things you can do here with the discounts. Now we're going to add what products we're going to have included in this discount. And I'm actually going to add a specific category, and that is of course audio, core audio, speakers. So the entire speaker category should be discounted. Of course, you can go down on a single product. You can also go down on a specific product variant and exchange the names for it when add to the cart. And you should probably set the unit here too. And when that is done, you can go down and add some more line details if you want to. We're going to need to save it, and then we're going to add price groups to this account. Now, price groups pretty much tells what channels we're going to publish this in. I mean, a price group is related to a channel. So if we start by adding the online channel, and let's add it, we'll say that, and we're adding another one, the Boston channel, which basically is all the stores in Boston. Of course, you can set this on different levels. I mean, you can say specific cities, specific stores. You can also say different regions, East region, Central region, mall stores, outlet stores. So you can pretty much cut and slice that in any way possible. But we will set it for a specific store and for the online channel. I'll save that and go back to the discount. Back on the discount, we're pretty much just going to make it enabled and save it. So now the discount is enabled. All we have to do now, and that is usually set up as automatic jobs, but it's basically push that discount out to the retail server, which basically means we're pushing it out to the retail server, making it, I'm just going to click run now, and that is how we push it out to the online pages online. So you will get an access to the landing page here, and you will also have a page that views all the products included in this discount. And if we take a look at the product, you'll have a promotion tag on it, and you'll also see which part or which different discounts this product is available in, and the % off and the coupon benefit discount. And we can of course click on this one here to see what different kinds of coupon product we have here to get access to them. And somewhere around here we should have our camera as well. A little more product. I think it was that camera. So for example, go back to that one. So this is how discounts will appear online once you set them up in the Dynamics. And the following video loyalty cards, and we're going to connect that customer to a loyalty card. So set up a new card, and we search for the customer called retail. Retail's on here. We got him, and we will connect him to a loyalty program, and that'll be that's the loyalty program we use. And set a program tier, so he will be a gold member simply because his name is retail. Of course, he's going to be a gold member. That loyalty card starts today, and we can say that it ends 2 years from now, something like that. And no summary yet, so let's save that. And as soon as we push this to the retail server, making it available for the online channel and the retail stores and stuff like that, then it will be available for all channels. And as I said before, this job can and here we can actually add the loyalty card. So just by clicking there and saying 55132, we get that connected to a specific customer. And if we now save this one or check out, say it's going to pay 3,000 something, and close. All right, so now we check them out. And if we now go into the web or out on the website and do a transaction there, just to see that we can create it in both ways, we're going to sign in here as that customer and log on. And we're going to add some stuff to an order. For example, I want to buy a computer screen, and it seems that I had something else in the cart too, so let's proceed to the checkout. And well, remove those so we don't mix it up with the other order. And let's check out this with the next day here, and the credit card payments, collect points for this purchase. So let's check out. So now we're checked out. We can see under my pages that that order has been created, and that's the order we just did. And here we can also see the order created in the store for the speakers, which we just did a minute ago or something like that. But since we another order, for example, buy some headphones, add that to the cart, and we proceed to the checkout. We can actually, first of all, we can see what is our balance by adding our number. You can see that my balance is $1,439. That's very generous. So I can say that I want to use, how much was this? I don't know, $100 maybe for that. And which means that I'm going to pay $100 with loyalty cards and the rest with credit cards. Or I can choose to apply the full amount and check out just paying with one. We will go over to Dynamics and go into trade agreement journals, which basically is price lists. Here we can create a new price list, and it should be a price list for retail prices, and we'll see if we can add some lines to that price list. What we want to do is basically say that this price for this product should be specific for a specific customer, and that's for my retails on customer. So we'll choose him here, connect it to that specific product. We also need to say that this is for a specific variant, for the black one, and we need to address or set this to a specific site, and this setup is done that we do this for the central site and for the distribution center connected to the central site. And of course we need to set the specific price. So the price today is $280. Let's say that this customer might get this for $250 instead of $280. Let's say from today and a month ahead approximately. And there's tons of different. You would probably like to validate that all the prices are valid and you got all the information you need. So basically letting Dynamics check that, okay, we're okay for posting this. So now we're going to post this journal and make it available for OS and web after we published it. So that's done. And in the distribution schedule, we'll basically say that, okay, let's publish prices and discounts. And that's